Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. This is Rose Natural and my name is Rose. In this video, I'm doing a roll, tuck and pin natural hairstyle. My hair was washed about a week ago. I had it in cornrows, but I took that down a day before the styling. I straightened my hair overnight with the banding method after moisturizing. You can use any method of your choice to stretch your hair before the styling. I failed a couple of times whilst learning to roll, tuck and pin, and I was like, this style is just not for me. But on one particular day when I tried again, I realized a trick that worked for me. So while rolling the sectioned out hair, I lean it towards where it will be pinned until I'm done rolling. That way the hair falls in place nicely as I want it to. Do watch till the end to see how I've been maintaining this style for the past few days. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share my natural hair journey, which includes hairstyles, hair care, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. If you are not already subscribed, consider doing that if you like this content. To all my sweet and amazing subscribers, I'll not cease to say thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Please keep watching. So this is my second night with this style, and I wanted to show you what I did at night to maintain it. It still looked fresh, as though I just made it. So I just wear my satin bonnet and I go to bed. I didn't have to keep my head in any particular position to keep the style. No, I slept freely. The following day, which was the third day, I decided to moisturize. So I mixed a little bit of conditioner with warm water and my oil blend and gave it a good shake. The oil blend has sweet almond, jojoba, castor, grapeseed, argan oils, and also vegetable glycerin in there. That's what I use whenever I moisturize my hair. And so you can use your oil of choice. The rule is to do what makes your hair happy because every hair is unique. It's morning and my hair is still looking as it was before I went to bed. I spray the leave-in conditioner I made into my hair. I'm not aiming at wetting my hair completely, but just enough to moisturize. I'm also not sure how deep that will go, but at least the solution moisturizes the part of my hair exposed. I then rub my hands gently on the surface to get the leave-in conditioner in there, and then I'm done. I'm honestly loving this style as it's protective and low manipulation. That'll be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next.